Take bath.
Take bath.
Go and play.
Go and play.
Say goodbye, teacher.
Say goodbye, teacher.
Take a bite. He started to take a bite of his sandwich.
Take a bite. He started to take a bite of his sandwich.
Take a sip.
Take a sip.
Clean it.
Clean it.
Never mind.
Never mind.
You will get your home soon.
You will get your home soon.
How is it?
How is it?
It was fun.
It was fun.
Yes, I am ready.
Yes, I am ready.
Almost near to you.
Almost near to you.
Cat is sitting on the chair.
Cat is sitting on the chair.
I am in the park.
I am in the park.
I am walking.
I am walking.
I am relaxing.
I am relaxing.
I am drawing.
I am drawing.
Mom is cooking.
Mom is cooking.
She is washing dishes.
She is washing dishes.
Put your toys away.
Put your toys away.
Tidy up your clothes.
Tidy up your clothes.
Put the dog outside.
Put the dog outside.
My finger is bleeding.
My finger is bleeding.
I have a cough.
I have a cough.
Listen to me.
Listen to me.
Show me.
Show me.
Get up early for school.
Get up early for school.
Keep quiet. Keep silent.
Keep quiet. Keep silent.
Come in.
Come in.
Sweep the floor.
Sweep the floor.
Never give up.
Never give up.
You will get your dream car soon.
You will get your dream car soon.
It tastes so good.
It tastes so good.
It was great to go there.
It was great to go there.
Do you agree to do that?
Do you agree to do that?
Where are you?
Where are you?
Don't jump on bed.
Don't jump on bed.
I am in the city.
I am in the city.
I am running.
I am running.
I am relaxing on the sofa.
I am relaxing on the sofa.
I am painting.
I am painting.
Mom is cooking lunch.
Mom is cooking lunch.
She is setting table with me.
She is setting table with me.
Write down.
Write down.
Tidy up your room.
Tidy up your room.
How did you get hurt?
How did you get hurt?
Don't be lazy.
Don't be lazy.
I have a fever.
I have a fever.
Come downstairs.
Come downstairs.
I have a cough.
I have a cough.
Let's play a game.
Let's play a game.